up, guys? We're doing What If. It's been a while, so sorry about that. But we're back. I filmed this all by the river, but there's too much car noises, so I had to redo it, but it's all good. It'll be better now than ever before. Okay, so yeah, let's get started with the intro. Here we go. Okay, this one's pretty fun and it's pretty simple. You start off on a 3 draw. It's a little walk up and then a walk back down. So we'll start with that. And then right after he plays a variation of that. It just sounds like this. You ended on that 4 draw. So that's super simple, just get that down because it walks right into the second part of that, which is starts off on a 2 blow. Okay. So that's the whole beginning part all together. Very nice. Moving on. Okay, this is the but what if part. I'll play it through real quick. Start off on a 4 draw, 2 5 draws, shimmy, and then walk down. Okay, so yeah, you jump back into the 2 blow right after that. And it all kind of restarts itself. So, but going back to the but what if part. So, yeah, the 4 draws, shimmy, and then a walk down. I'll play it slow. Okay, that's about the whole intro. Okay, so later in the song, there's another little part where the music's getting real intense, and it's just a walk back and forth. It just sounds like this. Okay, feel free to slow that down, but I'll have the numbers for each hole at the bottom as per usual. And then right after that part, he just goes back into the... And yeah, that's basically it for What If E Harmonica. It'll be in the title, I forgot to mention it, but yeah, that's about it, guys. We're definitely doing Withstand next. I've been too busy to get these edited, which is the problem. I love filming these, but editing is not fun at all, and it takes a lot of time on my computer. So Withstand for sure is next. I just gotta sit down and record that and then edit it right after I do this one. So it'll be out in the next week probably. Look out for that one. And then after Withstand, I don't know what to do next. Let me know. I should probably do Boogeyman Sam, but we'll see. We will see. Okay, goodbye.